How to get voice chat on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen, and here, go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Settings option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the Account Info option and make sure that you have verified your age. If not, you might need to add your phone number firstly, and then you might need to go ahead and verify your age, as you have to meet the age restriction option in order to enable voice chat. So once you have verified your age group, go back to settings and then tap on privacy and content restrictions option. Further, tap on the communication option you see there and then tap on the party and party chat option. Here, go ahead and select the all friends option you see there for party voice chat, and then go a step back and then tap on voice data users option and toggle on the toggle button for voice data for product improvements. And with this, Roblox will use your voice data for safety and moderation. So this was about how you can get voice chat on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.